Oh God, you've gone full screen. No, you are not supposed to go full screen. Thank you. Gone back to being windowed. Good boy. Fight, 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 fight. Maxis went bust? Really? I just noticed that message. Wow. And Maxis going bust puts a nail in the coffin for there ever being Simcopter 2. What was Simcopter? No idea what the hell that was. Having said that, I might have played it if it's the one I'm thinking of. Come on then, Stella. Load, please. There we go. Coffee. Right, start game. I'm looking at stealing parts out of Interstellar. Just bear with me one moment while I sort the headset out. There we go. Right, let's go into the VAB. Right, we want science. Have you got any new parts in science? Well, that part looks a bit crappy. Really? It looks like a storage container. Eesh. What's this? IR telescope. Be interesting. What's this? Oh, it's a science laboratory. What's this? Dual technique magnetometer. Whatever the hell that is. I need a master part. That'll do. Where's it put it? There it is. That could be interesting. Is it deployable? Doesn't look like it. Ooh, that's a big dish. Ooh. What's it currently used for? Oh, it's the AR telescope, yeah. So that'll be used for getting science. One of those could be used for ground and liquid sensor. Let's launch them and we'll see. No, I don't think I've played that one. I know I played one that was a futuristic helicopter type one. Right, what do these parts actually do? Do they have any animations? Activate. Ooh! Ooh, 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 I like that. Hmm. Hmm. That's the part for detecting antimatter in Interstellar. I like that animation. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. Where is it? We're in the warp, I think. Parts, science. Oh, crap, that's the telescope. So it mustn't be under warp. It must be under. Um. Um. Utility, maybe? What was it called? Ah, it's filed under utility. Helpful! Makers of Interstellar, please put your parts in the correct directories. Right, let's have a look at this config. Which screen are you guys looking at? Oh, all this time you guys were looking at the wrong screen. Sorry. I'm bad. There you go. Should be looking at that one. Well, kind of. Anim name deploy. Now, will I be able to port that over or not? Because that is a custom module that sorts out the animation as well. Not sure. Okay, what does the telescope do? Deploy. Okay, doesn't do anything. Helpful. Okay, kinda like that one from Interstellar. But we've got one for interplanetary resources, we've got one for Atmo. I was going to use one for all the both ground resources. That telescope one looks a bit pants. Well, yeah. It's always fun floating around your own stuff. Right, since I'm in Interstellar, is there any other cool stuff that they've got in here that I want to copy out? and borrow. Oh, we did the model for that. That's quite nice. And there's going to be multiples of that same model, isn't there? Yep. A solar sail. Really? Let's take a look at it. Boy sail. Oh wow. Okay. Um. Hmm. Don't think I can use that. Right. Okay. I think we've already looked through engines. Yep. Oh, tanks rather. Ooh, they've updated them models. How big? How big? Oh, it's only 2.5 meters. Really? Electric charge. Nan. So you've got a config error in there already? Seriously? Interstellar? Really? Hey. No, no other nice, wonderful engines. Let's see, command and control is all bog standard. How creative of them. Let's see, structural. Anything nice in here? Nope. Great. Aerodynamics. Yeah, that's nice and big. What's this? Large radial atmospheric scoop. Parts collects up the local atmosphere and processes it into useful products. It's radial. I'm going to steal that. What was it under? Right, I'll chuck the stream over and show you how to steal parts. It's in utility. Radial atmospheric scoop. Looking in there, we have 2 configs, a model and a texture. Why do we have 2 configs? Because there's 2 sets of parts, one small and one large. Wonderful. Right, so let's go and grab the radial atmospheric scoop directory, and we'll switch to how to mod advanced directory, go into parts, and there we go. Pasty. There it is. Open up the config for scoop 1. This one is the small one. Rescale factor is 0.75. Yes, that's all they're doing. Okay, model directory is wrong. So we need to go parts, radial atmospheric scoop. Like that. And then scoop. There we go, job done. There we go. That's the wrong module. The module that we want... How big is this? This one's a small one, isn't it? It's these modules here that we just want to go. Click there. I could actually use the Regolith module animation plugin to do that. Yeah, I'll go grab that next. And we want to grab all of those modules, copy, and then we replace this module, paste. Job done. Next, edit with Notepad. And this one's the large one. So we go the Atmos Scoop 2.5 meter and we grab its modules. All the way down to there. Copy, open up the scoop and overwrite its single module. There we go, I've just grabbed the 2 scoops from Interstellar. How's that? No messing with that. If I like a part, it comes over. Let's have a look in utility. What wonderful parts we got in utilities. Alkaberry drive. Eesh. Although having said that, ooh, what's this? 3.75 meter inline refinery. I think I've seen that before. I've seen the Sealands fission reactor. Seen that one. What's this? Flat radiator. What does it look like? A piece of garbage. Deployable phased array microwave transceiver. Oh yeah, I know what that is. radial radiators. No, not much in there that I actually want. I'm sure I can find something better. Oh, that's up. Well, I just very quickly showed everyone how easy and quick it is to port models from one mod to another. Oh, tablet's taking a while. Oh, I should point out for the benefit of the stream that I do not condone stealing. Oops, gotta be careful doing that. Really? You reloading? I didn't even shut you down. Ay, 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 ay. Come on. Hello, can I have another window, please? Thank you. What's the website address for KSP? Oh yeah, I have. Okay. No, community takes me to the forum. It's not the forum I want to go to. Although, having said that, I wonder if... where's the add-on list? I think it's add-on releases. That's the one. Library. What have we got in the library for science stuff? I can go steal some parts from. Okay, can I view it, please? Wow, the KSP forum looks really different on a tablet. Are you kidding me? I think that button was not the button that I actually wanted to press. There we go, that's better. API, Armory, EVA, IVA, HUD, Flags, Buttons and Career. Could be anything under Career. Nope. Game objects or feature alteration. Nope, nothing in that. Info and control. Have a look. Don't think so. Darn it, they still haven't updated throttle controlled avionics to 0.9. According to this. I'm waiting for that. After the stream, I think I'll jump onto it and see where they're up to. Missions, tutorials, no. Navball, nope. Rocket parts. Doubt it. Science, oh, here we go. Imagine a game where you never get same log twice. Boring. Although I must admit. I mean, like, seriously. I believe they've got someone on to doing all the messages. Science parts for unmanned rovers and probes. Interesting. Why is KSP Interstellar listed in the science section? Oh well. Labs and experiments to get science from your space station. Well, that could be an interesting set of parts. More parts for building rovers and other science expeditions. That could have a few in. A backpack that lets you store multiple samples and reports collected during EVA. Not what I'm looking for. It'll be interesting in career mode though. Yep, I'm streaming. Or at least I think I am. Yep. Everything's looking good at my end. Excuse me. Well, I need to download them. So I need to use my laptop to do it. Start. Don't load that. Go into the forum. I'm just looking at other mods and see if they've got any cool parts that I can use. Borrow, steal, whatever. Add-on releases. There we go, and we want resources library. If I remember rightly, it's quite far down. Apple, rocket parts, sounds, space planes, space stations, structural. Have I gone past it? Yes. 2. Where are you? Science. Research them all. Now, imagine a game where you never get the same oh, I've already seen that one. Science parts for unmanned rovers and probes. Let's take a look. Is there anything on here? Oh, now that's interesting. Pictures, please. Pictures. I want to know what it looks like. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, not very many pictures. Okay, well, there's some on there that look interesting, so I might find what I'm looking for. I want a big awkward part. Right, so let's come out of Interstellar, because it doesn't have anything else that we want. where's the download for this? That one. D-Magic Orbital Science. Save file. Right, in order to get to it from my desktop, I'll need to save it to my NAS server and transfer it across. Right, you're annoyingly already on the right hand screen. So you guys were on the wrong screen again. Oh well. Right, network drive. Put it there. Right, that's transferred across. So I won't show you my network drive on the live stream. That would be a bad idea. D-Magic Orbital Science. We want drive F. Right, now this bit I can show you. And we go in games, KSP mods, 0.90. We want the new directory. And then we can go and paste it in there. Right, we're going to extract it. There it is. It's all in one directory. So we can just copy it. And then we go into How to Mod Advanced, game directory, paste. There we go, mod installed. Now, annoyingly, it does come with a DLL. Yeah. Oh, and it comes with resources. We only want the ports. In that case, then we're going to take it out of advanced. Just in case it does screw something up, we'll put it in beginners. And then we'll go ahead and start beginners. I don't mind if it screws that one up. Oh, right, okay. Right, that's KSP started up. When you said I didn't think you're streaming, I thought you said it's showing me as offline. Yeah, just holler wrong screen next time. Start game. We want sandbox. We want to see what these parts look like. Because we want a part to steal. Science. That's got a few extra parts. Anomalous signal sensor. Oh, it's an anomaly scanner. Eek. Asteroid scanner. Hmm. Ooh. Some dwells. Micro goo containment pod. Magnetometer boom. Well, that could be what we're looking for. Let's go and shove a part down. Oh, that's tiny. Don't want that one. What's this one? Well, that's also tiny. Ooh, not so tiny. Hmm. Actually, that could do as a wicked antenna for remote sat. Microgrid containment pod. Orbital telescope. That's a bit small. Science micro. What does it do? Really? Is that it? Just do. Multispectral imaging platform. Nice model, bit small. Well, that being said, I could always make it bigger. What does this one do? How big are they? That could also do for a wicked comms array. Stop that. Soil moisture sensor. Well, that's a bit bigger. Whoa. Oh. That's the one I was looking at. I like them 3 parts. Although that one does look like a helicopter. Okay, let's go steal them. We'll use them for something. Right. Chuck you guys over to my right hand monitor. Okay, so what was the first part that we liked? It's the magnetometer boom. We're in here. We go rover science. We go No. Probe science. It's in here. Gotta be. Mag boom. That's one. What was the other one? It was a soil sampler, I think. RPWS antenna. So that's that one. And that one was the soil moisture, which is that one. Copy them. And then we want our how to mod advanced parts directory. And then we go paste. Right, magboom. Take a look at the config. Yep, thought as much. Model equals. What directory is it in? Right, okay, yep. So we just go delete that. No. You know what? I'm going to double its size. Mass. Yeah, that's a bit low. Right, that module doesn't exist. Problem is animation name. That's what we need. Right, where is the module, the regolith module for animation? It's in this one. There we go. That's the regolith module for animation, so let's go and grab that. Drop it in there. Now we need to change the animation name here. That one to looks like that one. Anything else that I need to know? Nope. Right, so delete that module, and hopefully the regolith animation module will take over that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to use that again. I'll make a copy of that. Right, what was the other one that we put in? RPWS. Open that up. Right, this needs to be changed. There we go. We'll leave the aesthetics the same for the part. We just want to get the animation working. Right. RPWS animation. Paste it in there. Anything else that we need to know from that module? Nope. I just realised I might have deleted too much there on that previous config. Yes. So let's go and double check it. Yep, thought I did. Accidental deletion. Be very careful you don't do that. And the other one was soil moisture. Ow, Phil. Yep. Right. Now, hopefully, I haven't been through all the parts in that mod, but hopefully those 3 parts will now be in KSP and have animations. Hopefully. Why on earth these mods have their own animation code, I don't know. Why can't they use a common animation mod like Fire Spitter and just include that mod? Because that way, if all the mods include it, you're not constantly duplicating code. It's like, seriously? Let's see what happens. Right. Let's see. Excuse me. Ooh. That's not good. Something balked. Oh dear. Oh dear. Let's just go and crash out KSP so it doesn't save the saved game. Well, here comes an exercise in reading the darn log file. Cannot clone model. That looks like it's been there for a while. Let's ignore that. Oh yeah, actually, Umbra Space Industries, yeah, we know about them. So we can ignore those errors. Okay. According to the log file, there's no reason. Oh. That would be why. Yeah, that'll cause it. Although it's really weird that it would try to delete all my craft. There's another one. No part in loader found with name Potatoroid. And so for that it deletes all my crafts. Or tries to. Okay. So why can't you find Potatoroids? Parts. Where are the roids? I think they're in the NASA pack. Potatoroid. You haven't changed. Is KSP just balked? Okay, simple way of sorting this out. Let's take those 3 parts out and then restart KSP and see if it does the same thing again. If it does the same thing again, there we go. Oh crap. Oops, that one. Yeah, that one. That one's a bad one. Hopefully I crashed out of KSP before it saved the file. Excuse me. I'm hoping it's just Regolith that's taking an objection to one of the models that I'm trying to use with one of its modules to run the model animation. So let's trick you over and you'll be able to see. Start game. Resume saved. Well, it says there's 20 flights, so it doesn't look like it's been updated. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. And no myriad of messages. Wonderful. That means it's one of those models that have installed. Let's go and crash out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that one and that one, because I think it's the mag boom that was causing it, and then put them back in again. And then we're going to restart KSP. And I just realised, no background music. And I still didn't download any more tracks from Incompetech. No. That one will do. I could. KSP, are you behaving? Or are you not behaving? Uh-oh. Yes, reload the log file. Let's see what it's paused at. Right. Radial atmospheric scoop number 2. I could have sworn I changed that. Oh well. RPWS antenna it's froze at. Right, well, first of all, the model name for scoop 2 is wrong. I thought I changed that. Perhaps not. Right, that's that done. Okay, so it doesn't like the RPWS. Move over, crash KSP, and then reload KSP. There could be a reason why they used custom animation code. In other words, they set the animation up within the module in a completely different way. Or it could be I have the wrong config values. No, and it's frozen on the other one. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the config for it. Well, it's obviously got the right model. I wonder if it's that value. Let's try that. I can't wait to get my new hardware. It's gonna make things so much faster. Please. Hey up. Is it gonna load? It looks like it's gonna load. Oh yeah. 197 patches, that's not bad. Let's take a look. No errors. And there it is. It's a bit small. Deploy. Yes. Yes, that's how you do it. But it's not spinning. That's because... Yep, I know why that is. Put you over to the right monitor so you can see what I'm doing. Right, that's the config. Where's the one that we grabbed it from? That'll have it. Over science. No, it isn't. Probe science. Soil moisture. And it's the name of that spinny one in this module. Looping anim, which is that one. If we take that, go into here. And that's the one that we've got in advanced. We put that name in there and uncomment, and it should spin. So we're just going to crash out of KSP. No, don't want to load it yet. And then restart. It's weird the way OBS gives a black screen while KSP is loading, but I actually get a white screen. Having said that, probably because it hasn't enabled D3D overlay. Don't balk on me. Load. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Do it. Go on. Yes. Now hopefully this will load with no errors. Yes. Lander can. Moisture sensor. And we go deploy filter. Spin, go on, spin, 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 spin. Nuts. No spin. Sure. Yeah, no spin. Why you no spinny spin? I wonder if there's an error in the that's showing up in the KSP log. Oh, that's it right. There we go. Oh, we've got mesh warning. I need to go and hire some Kerbals according to that. Oh, I've got 2 in there. Chuck them all in. Okay, what was this part called? Soil moisture sensor. Give me a list of parts, okay. Compiling part. Yeah. It's not giving me an error. Oh well, I guess it can't make it spin. It's kind of a shame. And yet nothing comes up in the log file about it. Oh wait, it might not spin in the VAB. Let's have a look when we go to launch. Retract it. Deploy. Ah, oh well. Nope, no spinny spinny. It's not touching the ground, so that can't be stopping it. That's a shame. Oh well. Yep. I'll show you where I shoved it. that part is the soil moisture. I use the regolith animation group module, and that's the animation name for deploy, and that's the one for basically making it spin according to the original config, which is this one. So that's the module name that's originally on it. That's the first animation name for deploy, and that should be the one for making it spin. Everything else that's on here is basically to do with science experiments, and that's the visual stuff that gives you the buttons. Kind of a disappointment, that is. Actually, I wonder. Well, yes, that's what this module here is a module that comes with the mod that does the animation. Now all I've done is taken the two animation names and then used the regolith animation module that we've already got in to run the two animations. Do we have No, it's not installed. It'll be in Lackluster Labs. Let's see. Oh no. I just started something I didn't want to start. Grab that one. Lackluster Labs game data. I think Lackluster Labs uses Fire Spitter for animations. Why are you stalled? Rotating hub. Is that the module that's already built in, or is that the fire starter module? There's a way to find out. Find a cargo bay. Yeah, Mark 2 cargo bay. Use that one. Game data. Squad. Parts. Which one was he in? Utility. Oh God. Not in there. Patrol maybe? Nope. Nope. Arrow? Nope. Oh, darn it, squad. Where have you put them? Are they in the NASA pack? Shouldn't be in the NASA pack. Nope. It's a squad part. Actually, there's a Mark 3 cargo bay. Seriously? There it is. I can't even know any of them will do. What's the module that this uses? This will be the one that's built into... Right, that's the one that's built into KSP. So, let's try something here. Let's tidy up my screens. Get rid of that one. That's the one. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to take the built-in animation module that's within KSP and drop it into this part right in there. We're going to get rid of this one. That's the animation name of what's not running. So we're going to copy that, put it in there, call the button spin. And save. Right, crash out of KSP. There's a... Nope. Really? Okay. And wait for KSP to load again. Now this should create a second button called spin, and it should activate the spinning animation. Did I just see that right? Weird. Oh well. It looks like it's going to load with that error. Could have sworn I made that bigger. There we go. That's the one that we've just added in, so deploy it. And then right click and say spin. Hey presto! Yes! How's that? It seems the regolith module isn't quite as intelligent as we think it is. And why does that not surprise us? Using two animation modules to do the two animations independently. What? You're not saying anything? Come on, that was genius. Now, what happens if we retract it without stopping the spin? That seems to do it okay. And go to deploy. And just kicks off spinning again. Retract. Now while it's retracted, what happens when we hit the spin button? Nothing. Right, so it doesn't balk up. Go to deploy. Well, there we have it. We have a new cool feature on this part. We can actually make it spin in either direction. Well, yeah. I just called it spin so we knew what it was. So now I just made that part do something that it didn't originally do. This is what I call customising KSP. Hang on, let's have some fun here. Unfortunately, no. The only way you can stop it spinning is by retracting it. Like that. And then when you deploy it again, it automatically starts spinning. And in the same direction as when you deployed it, packed it. So you can't stop it, but you can change its direction. Yeah, perhaps the audio wasn't synced up to the video quite perfectly, but I was making it flip one way or the other in time with the beat. Okay, so let's have a look at the others now. Right, that's the one we've just edited. Well, that's just the animation. The scanning module will be another button on top of that. So what are we going to call it? So we've got that one called deploy. Actually, I'm just thinking here. Give me a second here. Right, we need to swap these two names because I've had a thought. On the regolith module, this animation module is linked in with these modules, so the options to start scanning are not available till you've finished deploying it. So yes, we need to swap these around. I'll show you why in a minute. So want this name to here. Call it yeah. Call it deploy scanner, save, crash out of KSP, and restart. While that's restarting, we need to go and find where's it gone? Where's the K detection array? There it is. We need to find the... I'll do. I can reconfigure that for ground. So we go in here. Let me add in type 0. Duplicate for type 1. Right, how many ground-based ones are they? I need to load one of my cheaty parts. Oh, get rid of that directory. Keep that one. This is the directory that I want to change. Come out, come out. To mod advanced. Parts. Which one is it? There we go, RDA. Behave. It's not that one. Or is it? Yes, it is. Why am I scanning for space plasma on the ground? Let's get rid of that. Right. Soil moisture, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take those two, and we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, KSP is loaded. Hopefully this will work the way I think it will. What's the lender camp? Come on. It's science. Soil moisture scanner. There we go. Deploy scanner. That's not what I had in mind. That's totally unexpected. Oh. Oh, that's why that should be retract scanner, not deploy scanner. And now, of course, it's going to spin slowly, isn't it? That's ludicrous speed. Although, having said that, that could be hilarious. Still spinning even inside. And then when I use that one, it actually animates it correctly. Wasn't quite expecting that to happen. Let's see, let's do a search. See if I can find any config options for that module. Right, so we are searching for Gerbil space program, and the module name is module animate generic. Let's see. Advanced Animator. Oh no, this one's an add-on. That's not what I want. Stop modules. Modules animate generic. Okay, yep. I'll go and chuck this link into chat so that chat can read it as well. Now that's the wiki entry for the module that we're currently using, the one that's built into KSP. So let's see what we can see in here. There's literally nothing in here. There's other modules in there as well you might want to take a look at. But yeah, that tells you everything that you need to know about the stock modules. All the configuration values. And that link is literally gold dust. Okay, see what options are available for regolith. So it is rego underscore module animation group. Well, that's wonderful. The animated converter module is depreciated. If in doubt, copy something from Carbonite or AMT. I did copy something from Carbonite. And guess what? Oh.